Good morning, dear students. Exercise 7.4, question number 2. What is given? Let's see. This is a rectangular tank, cuboidal shape rectangular tank, and through a cylindrical pipe, water is flowing into it. So the measurements of both objects we shall see. Cylindrical pipe, the diameter is 14 centimeter, so radius is 7 centimeter. Half of it. Speed of the water, 15 kilometer per hour. Speed of the water is 15 kilometer per hour. In 1 hour, 15 kilometers of water. Water passes a distance of 15 kilometers. See, the speed of the water. From the speed of the water, we can consider the height of the pipe or the length of the pipe we can take. Speed of the water is 15 km per hour. In 1 hour, it crosses 15 kilometers. That much portion we should take for our calculation. What's the distance traveled by the water in 1 hour? 15 kilometers. That much portion we take as the length of the pipe or height of the pipe. So here, length of the pipe is distance crossed by the water in 1 hour. That is 15 kilometers. 15 kilometers. So in 1 hour, 15 kilometers it crosses. So that much portion is taken as the height. So height is equal to. Therefore, height of the pipe is equal to. We should consider this distance traveled in 1 hour, 15 kilometers. All the other measurements are in centimeters, so we shall convert this kilometer also into centimeter. How many centimeters make 1 kilometer? 1 lakh. So 15 kilometers means 15 lakhs centimeters. Now come to the dimensions of the rectangular tank. Length is 50 meter. We are converting that to centimeter into 100, 5000 centimeter. Breadth is 44 meter into 100, 4400 centimeter. Height. Here height means not the height of the tank. It is the height of the water level. Height of the water level 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter here I write water level. Okay, height is 21 centimeter. This is for the water level. The question is, how much time this would take? This pipe would take to fill water in the rectangular tank to a height of 21 centimeter. What's the time taken? Previously in some other problem we have seen, okay, to find out the time taken is equal to, here I write like this. Don't make the problem very complicated, okay, it's very easy. Time taken is equal to volume of the rectangular tank divided by volume of the cylindrical pipe. That's enough. Okay, this is speed of the water is given in 1 hour. How much distance it can travel from here? We find out time taken is equal to volume of the tank divided by volume of the pipe. Volume of the tank, it is cuboidal shape, so here we write L into B into H divided by pipe is cylindrical shape, so pi r square H. L is 5000. We take all in centimeters. 5000, 4400. Height is 21 divided by. Here it is 22 by 7 into radius. Radius of the cylindrical pipe is 7. So 7 into 7 into its height, length of the pipe, it is 15 lakhs. Now the calculation, okay, all the zeros we can cancel. Here 2 zeros, here 3 zeros, totally 5. Here also 5 zeros, we can cancel. All the zeros here, all the zeros here, all the zeros. Then 1 7 and 1 7 you can cancel. This 7 and 21 you cancel. It is 3 times. 3 and 15 you cancel. Here 5 times. So 5 and this 5 you cancel. Then this 22 and 44 you cancel 2 times. So very simple, 2 hours. So time taken by the pipe to fill water to a height of 21 centimeter in the rectangular tank is 2 hours. Okay. Hope you have understood. Thank you.